Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the Sundpey multi-tool kit. All right, so this item was gifted to me to do this video, and you know me, that's what I'm going to do. So guys, let me just go ahead and show you this kit. It's got a lot of parts to it, and we're just going to kind of give you a basic rundown of what comes in this kit. So first, you got a nice case. I really like cases. Some tool kits don't have cases that come with them. They just come loosely, but I like this case. It has a double latch here. Okay, let's just open it up here. And this case has a ton of things. I'm going to keep it sideways so I can see. You know, you got some needle nose pliers, a measuring tape, a little micro measuring steel here, some Allen wrenches, adjustable wrench, a little hammer, and we have our socket driver over on this side right here, if you can see it. Okay. On top we have some wood bits, some metal drill bits here, you know, different sizes of Phillips and straight slot screwdrivers. Over here we have some other screwdrivers which I can't really see, but we also have a socket driver right here. Okay, and then a bunch of nut drivers up top here. Okay, that's really good. So there's a ton of stuff there. Now the sides on this fold down like so. We got some sockets over here and a bunch more different types of Phillips and, you know, bits to go in your drivers there. So you've got your socket set, and then on this side, let me get up here, we have a different larger sockets on this side, a driver, an extension driver, a 1/4 inch extension driver, a spark plug socket wrench there, a universal joint, which a lot of kits don't come with that, a little 1/4 inch universal joint there. So lots of good stuff here. Even comes with a pencil. Okay, I skipped that, didn't see that. So it comes with just about anything that a homeowner would want, but that's not all. Down here, if you take this latch off, this here detaches and comes over to this side, and down here you have this. So it comes apart, and this is our manual. And what do we got here? We got a nice drill, 2 batteries, a kit with a bunch of screws and anchors and nails in it, our charger, and some hole saws. Okay, and this is our hole saw bit right there. So we got actually 21 volt. So let's put this in here. We have slow and then fast. Okay, 2 speeds. Up here we have adjustable clutch. Goes all the way from 1 to locked in. So you have 18 clutch adjustments here for different things. All right, pretty cool, nice. All that works good. All right, guys, well, there's the kit all laid out here. It's kind of big, so it's hard to fit it all on screen here. But you see, it has just about everything that a homeowner would need to do any kind of handyman repairs around the house, all in one spot, all neatly organized. And I love tools that are organized. You know, a regular toolbox where you just throw everything in, it's kind of like a tackle box that you throw everything in. It's just going to get all kinds of stuff all mixed up. But right here, everything has its own place. And you have about everything that you could possibly need to do minor repairs around your own house. All right, guys, I hope this video has been informative about this kit to you. And if it has, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.